In this video, I'm going to be sorting out all of these charms. As you can see, I have quite a bit. I have so many that I haven't sorted yet. I do have some that I did put away, but I think I'm actually going to redo the whole thing because since then I've gotten some new storage containers. So I'm going to actually try and figure out a better way to store them so that it looks uniform. I was attempting to try and finish this in about an hour, but I don't think I will. But I'm going to start it and I'm going to see how quick I can get this done. So the first things that I'm going to be assorting is my kawaii charms, and I'm going to be putting it in this large bead keeper that I got from Walmart. I believe this was like $8. I'm not quite sure. I'll put it on the screen, but it's got 32 compartments and I feel like I have enough kawaii charms. I'm going to be assorting these first. I got these from AliExpress. I don't remember where I got some of these things, but I'll try and do the research and then I'll put the links to the appropriate hauls in my description box. I got these ones from AliExpress and I remember exactly when and where I got these because this is the pack of charms that have that creepy looking Mickey Mouse. Is it even in here? Did I get rid of it? I mean, I probably didn't get rid of it, but let's see. Oh yeah, here it is. But yeah, these are from AliExpress. I wouldn't recommend these because they come like scratched with the paint off, like they're not the best quality. I'm not quite sure whether I should leave these in here. If I do have some space, I might relocate them because I feel like they'd be perfect in here. I got both of these from AliExpress and I actually forgot that I had these. These were at the bottom of the pile and I really do want to do a set with these. I'm going to try and think of some ideas on what to do with these, but these are so cute. So I have this little spoon thing so I can scoop them out and move them if I want. I'm going to move this one over here because I have a pack that's similar to this one and I want to put it in here. I really hope I'm not super OCD about this, otherwise this is going to take forever. And this low-key feels like, you know, the scoops on TikTok. That is how I'm feeling right now. I have some Halloween charms. I can't wait to start doing Halloween nail sets. I feel like that is the season in which I thrive the most when it comes to nails. I also have some Christmas ones. I got both of these from AliExpress. Christmas nail sets, I believe, are my least favorite, and I think it's because I get so stumped. I can never figure out like what I want to do, and then when I do figure out what I want to do, it's just like Christmas kind of, you know, vomited all over the nails. That's the best way I can describe that. So I'm going to be moving these Barbie heads and these bears into here. I did move some of the other stuff into my other containers that have, you know, like the ice cream kawaii charms, the milkshakes and all that stuff. The storage box that I'm going to be putting the bling in is this one. I got this from Walmart and I believe it was $7.88. I don't know why, but that is the number that comes to mind, but I'll put it on the screen. These are actually the bling box boxes. Usually they'll have the picker in this little section of the box, and they actually had them at Walmart. I'm not quite sure if they still have them. I will have a look because I did buy these quite some time ago. I'm hoping that these will fit. If not, I'm going to separate them into two because I really do want these in this box. I'm going to try and make this box here like a really pretty looking box, so I really do want these to fit. Oh yay. I don't know why I didn't think they were going to fit, but I'm happy that they do. I also have the silver version of these. These shine really nicely. They're almost diamond like. So I've pretty much gotten all of these from AliExpress. So I'm done assorting this one. I have another container just like this. I'm going to fill it with charms that kind of look like this, you know, like the Shein style charms. I got these dragon charms from, I think, Shein. I'm not quite sure, but I've not used them since I got them. And I tried to use them in a set that I did, and they were just far too big. Like, I'd have to do a true 3XL set. I do use 3XL tips, but I usually cut them a little bit, but I need the whole length of the nail to make these work. I got these to do a New Year's set, and unfortunately it didn't go with the idea I had at the time. So unfortunately I'm never going to be able to use these. I mean, if I do, it's got to be sometime this year, but it wouldn't make any sense. So I guess it's a souvenir at this point. So I have quite a bit of angel charms. Honestly, looking at all my charms, I'm just like, why did I buy so much? But I think I kind of know the answer to that question, and it's because when you get on Shein, when you get on AliExpress, when you get on Temu, something like this is like $1.50. So you're like, why not buy every single color? But I don't spend like that anymore. A lot of it was like impulse buys. And I obviously do plan on using these things. These last pretty much forever. So as long as I do nails, I'm gonna, you know, probably clear a lot of this out. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is I'm gonna pretty much sort these off camera because I got these 2 from Shein. No, these 3 from Shein, and the ones in the bags are from AliExpress. And some have like a different gold shade to the others. So I'm going to sort them by gold shades, and then I'm going to put them in this container. So I have a few of these zodiac signs, and I'm just going to put them in the middle. I don't know if this would have fit in one of these, but I feel like I have enough to be able to go in this section here. Okay, so that is all of my charms organized. I'm going to show you guys all of them, but on the ground, because the boxes won't fit on my desk. I was able to get everything in a container except from these, only because I don't want these in, you know, one of these boxes. I think they're fine as they are. I'm just going to put this in one of my drawers, but other than that, I am finally done. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, and I've also been taking breaks, getting up, going to the kitchen, grabbing a snack. So it actually wouldn't have taken that long had I just sat here and just, you know, powered through. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. Stay tuned, because I am going to show you pretty much my whole entire charm collection, but it's only going to be a few seconds. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.